my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am using some of the Glastonbury collection today.
Some of the what collection?
Glastonbury. How beautiful are these? So these are all the brights and they've got a bit of a glitter running through them, and I'm going to be using Lily alongside. Lily is like a very, very soft white, and I'm just going to be using this in between all the colours just to help make them a little bit vibrant. A little bit more vibrant. Nearly said something else then. A little bit more vibrant. Let me just zoom that out a little bit. A little bit more vibrant, and it will segregate the colours, so it will stop them from blending. So I'm very excited about this one. Okay, Sam, give me your hand.
Which hand do you want?
That one. My left, your right. That's the one.
Karaoke.
Okay, so I've already got my tip on and done all my nail, all the way that way, there we go. Done all my nail prep, all that sort of stuff. I've got my tip on, I've blended my tip, and I've also popped my layer of clear acrylic down, nice thin layer. So I'm using the medium speed monomer today, and I'm going to be applying these acrylics. Let me pull that out again a bit. I'm going to be using these acrylics in rainbow order. So I don't know if this is the actual order of a rainbow, but these colours all flow nicely in this way. So you don't have to start with a purple. If you want to start with a blue, you can start with a blue. If you want to start with the green, start with the green. If you want to start with the yellow, start with the yellow. If you want to start with the orange, blah, 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 blah. But I'm going to be starting with the purple up at the cuticle. So I want to get my purple out. And because pink is coming down next, I'm going to make sure I've got my pink as well. So I'm going to work in lots of little beads. There we go, about there. I'm going to work in lots of little beads. Oh, I need Lily as well. So I need to make sure that all of these colours are flowing. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Right, so first things first, I'm going to get a small bead. Oh, I don't know what this one's called. Small bead of the purple. I can't remember which one it is. Pop that up in this corner and then just blend it down. Get rid of this excess. And then what I'm going to do, I'll make sure that's actually right in the corner. And then what I'm going to do is pick up a little bit of the purple into the white, back into the purple, pop that down there. And then I'm going to get a bit of the pink into the white, back into the pink, and pop that there. Take this up into that corner and then just swirl this nail down into this section here. Okay, and that is us done with the purple, and the purple is called Healing. Okay, so next colour after the pink, so we're going to basically do the same thing again, but now we're going to bring in the orange. So let me have you back there, please, Sam. So I'm going to add a little bit of pink along here. And then I'm going to pick up a bit of orange, smattering of white, bit of orange, and into here, and do the same thing. Drag diagonally. So by introducing the white, it just allows those colours to pop. And as I said, it stops the colours from blending. Right, so the pink can go away, and the pink was called Mystical. After the orange comes the yellow. So same again. I'm going to get a little bit of the orange. Blur that along there. And then pick up a bit of yellow into the white, back into the yellow, and place that. And then work this diagonally like this. Orange can go away. That one was called Illusion. Next on the list is green. Now, if you're a careful worker, you can actually have all of your pots out at the same time. But we all know I'm not a careful worker. I spill things. So I have to limit what products I have out on the desk because I can't be trusted. So into my green, pick up your white, back into your green, marble this up and down, always keep it diagonal. And then our last section, oh, this looks so good, Sam. The yellow is called Clarity, by the way. The last little bit that we're going to be adding is blue. So again, the reason I add this last little bit of colour, like this green now, is just so that it's a wet surface for your blend to be going onto. It just helps it along a little bit. So we only need a little bit there. Look at that, fam!
I know.
That's so pretty.
I love a pretty rainbow nail.
Okay, so the green one was called Mirage, and your blue, which I'm kind of gutted we only got a little bit of that blue on there, is called Wisdom. So I'm going to let this nail set for a minute and then we can get it capped. Okay, in with our clear acrylic. Let me just get some fresh kitchen towel. So we need to cap this entire design, otherwise it will just file off, which we don't want. So clear acrylic on. You don't need to worry about making your marble too thin, so long as it's not too thick. There's the problem. You know, these Nailchemy colour powders are actually really, really strong. The percentages of pigment in them is very, very small. So they are actually really strong. But obviously because it is a design, it does need capping anyway. So if your marble is a little bit on the thick side, obviously don't make it too thick, because it does definitely need capping so that we can protect our design. But don't stress about making it super, super thin. Make sure you've got enough colour on there. And then you can just make sure that your clear capping is nice and thin. It's about finding that perfect balance, making that nice acrylic sandwich with clear acrylic, coloured acrylic, and then clear acrylic again. It can take you a little while to crack it. It took me bloody ages. Honestly, doing nails is not something that came naturally to me. Like the rest of the nail would be absolutely fine, but my cuticle was always way, way, way too thick, and then I'd end up filing through my design. And that's why if you trudge back to, God, how long have I been doing nails now? Oh, it came up on my time up this morning. 8 years ago today was day one of my nail course. How cool is that? So
8 years.
So if you trudge back on my Instagram about 6 or 7 years, you'll see pretty much every single nail had crystals around the cuticle because I was covering things up. But as long as you learn how to cover things up, it's fine. Cover up your mistakes. Just don't tell anybody. Although now I've just told everybody. That was a long time ago. 8 years, Sam.
I know.
8 years ago, I was sat behind a desk being taught how to do nails. Seems like a lifetime ago. Right, I'm going to let this set up and then we'll get it filed up and we'll show you how beautiful it is. Okay, so we're all filed up and I've buffed it and I've just wiped over with my acetone. Look at that sparkle coming through. I know we've not top coated it yet, but look how sparkly that is. So just to add something a little bit different, I am going to add some more sparkle. This is something that I didn't even realise I had, and this is now my new favourite item, Hocus Pocus. So I thought this was just a gel polish, so it's been sat with all my gel polishes. I didn't realise it's a holographic no wipe top coat. So it's been sat with all my gel polishes. It's never even been used. So you're nowhere near the camera, Sammy. So I'm going to use it on this. Oh, this is now definitely going to be my new favourite item. I can't believe I didn't even realise I had it, you know. Look at that. So the acrylic already had a little bit of sparkle running through it, but that just makes it, oh, you can't pick up the holographic on the camera, but that's so pretty. Okay, pop that one in the lamp for me, please, Sam. So I even popped it, look, to go with the rest of, and that, I think I had to put like 3 layers on this to make it
That's probably
that dense.
why then.
Oh my god, so now it's not going to go back with my gel polishes, it's going to sit with my top coats. So expect to see a lot more of this in some of my future videos. Okay. Oh, I love it so much. Right, where is my cuticle oil? Let's go for, I was going to grab a different one. Let's go for, what's this one? Coconut. So coconut elixir. Get that opened. Little drop on there, or completely flood the cuticle. And just give that a rub in. And there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.